Today, in this Leonardo AI tutorial, we will explore other two canvas modes, image to image and sketch to image. Without further ado, let's dive in. So I have already opened this canvas editor, you can see. And this is the part 5, the Leonardo AI series. If you haven't watched the previous videos, so I would recommend you to watch those videos for the clear understanding. I will provide the link of the playlist in the description or the I button of this video. Coming to the canvas, this is the same settings as we have done in the part 4. Okay, just we need to change the mode. For that, just go to canvas mode and click on this change. Here are the 4 modes. We already covered these two, text to image, in paint, out paint. And today we are going to cover this image to image and sketch to image. So we are just trying this first, image to image, just selecting this one. And the input strength, I'll just make it 0.6. Here you can see how closely the generation will follow the underlying image. How closely it should follow. So you will understand, alchemy will not use alchemy, and the image dimensions 512 by 512, render density we will see, and image guidance scale it's 8 only. Control net we will see in the separate video. We had to see the tiling that we will see. So now here at the left hand side you can see the fourth option, this sketch option, pencil, just select that, and here I selected the yellow color. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to draw the image. Okay, I'm just drawing kind of mango. I think mango is like this only, green color. I'll just make this brush size small, and like this, let's make leaves here. Okay, these are leaves. I'm just trying to draw here mango. So we have already selected image to image. So I have drawn this mango image, and now what I will do, I'm just going to write down here mango, and now clicking on generate. Yeah. So can you see, we got this better version of our drawing. So they just converted that drawing into the image, you can see. So whatever you like, you can just choose that. I'll just go with this. Can you see? Accept. Likewise, you can draw anything and you need to just give the prompt of what is that, and it will make the actual image of that. Let's try one more thing, what we can try out. Let's say I'll just draw the glass of water, okay? Yeah, it's filled with water, kind of. So now I'll just adjust this frame, and I'll just write down here glass of water half filled with water, generate. So this is what we got. Not very good, but okay, you can see. I'll just try it doing again. Glass of water, I'll just write down. So let's consider this. So likewise, you can just draw, and this mode will convert that particular thing into the image. Let's try this second mode. You can try changing the models as well. I'm just changing the mode to the sketch to image. So I'll just add here prompt for the sketch. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to just first, I'll just go with text to image. I'll generate a painting, Elon Musk painting, generation frame, this thing. I'm just clicking on generate. Just enable the alchemy. So this is what we got. Not really good. Okay, this is good. We can accept this. What I can do, I'll just change the mode to sketch to image, okay? And now I'll just use sketch tool here, and I'll just draw here mustache. I need to change the color first. I'll just make it black. Okay, so kind of mustache. Here I have already changed sketch to image. I need to take that generation frame. Okay, that is already, I think, here only. And now I'll just write down here mustache. Generate. Can you see? He got the mustache. Did not draw properly. That's why that mustache going in the nose directly. Let's give this accept. Let's do it again. I'm just changing mode to text to image. And here is the thing. We will not use alchemy, just a normal thing we will use. Elon Musk painting, okay? Generate. You must have got the point what I'm trying to say. Wow, so this is really beautiful. This image is. But I like this only, I'll just click on accept. And let's change the mode back to the sketch to image. And now just use the sketch tool, just zoom it and draw the mustache properly. I'll make it 20. Let's draw and just write down here mustache. So you can see we are run out of the tokens. What I'll do, I'll just when I'll get back my tokens, I will just like generate this image and will add at the end of this video. These are pretty easy. Whatever things I taught you, that is pretty easy. These two things. This is image to image and this is sketch to image. We add his mustache here. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.